Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're showing you how to make the most of a layover in one of Europe's most vibrant cities, Barcelona. Whether you got just a few hours or a full day, we'll guide you through the best spots to visit, from stunning landmarks like La Sagrada Familia to exploring the lively streets of La Rambla. Barcelona is full of culture, history, and delicious food, and we'll help you experience it all in just 24 hours. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. 1. Start with a morning coffee at La Boqueria Market. Start your day in Barcelona with a visit to the famous La Boqueria Market, located just off the bustling La Rambla. This market is an explosion of color and life, offering everything from fresh fruits and local delicacies to mouth-watering pastries. Grab a cup of coffee and some traditional Spanish churros or a quick breakfast snack, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. It's a perfect way to kick off your layover while experiencing the local flavors. As you stroll through the market, you can also pick up some fresh ingredients to bring back as souvenirs. 2. Explore the historic Gothic Quarter. After breakfast, take a short walk to the Gothic Quarter, one of Barcelona's oldest neighborhoods. This area is a maze of narrow streets, hidden squares, and medieval buildings, offering a fascinating glimpse into the city's past. Wander through the cobblestone streets, and you'll discover ancient Roman ruins, charming boutiques, and cozy cafes. Make sure to visit the Barcelona Cathedral, with its impressive Gothic architecture and beautiful courtyard. The Gothic Quarter has a magical atmosphere that contrasts the modern side of the city. You can also take a moment to relax at one of the peaceful places, soaking in the history and culture. 3. Visit La Sagrada Familia. No trip to Barcelona is complete without seeing the architectural masterpiece that is La Sagrada Familia. This stunning basilica, designed by the famed Antoni Gaudí, has been under construction for over 100 years and is one of the most visited landmarks in Spain. Marvel at the intricate facades, each telling a different story of Christ's life, and step inside to witness the breathtaking interior with its towering columns and colorful stained glass. If time allows, book your ticket in advance to skip the lines and make the most of your short time. While it's still under construction, its beauty and scale are awe-inspiring. 4. Wander through the Park Güell. A short bus ride from the city center will take you to Park Güell, another of Gaudí's iconic creations. This whimsical park features vibrant mosaics, curving pathways, and organic structures that blend seamlessly with nature. As you explore, you'll come across the famous lizard sculpture, El Drac, and panoramic views of the city. The park was originally designed as a residential area, but is now a public space that attracts millions of visitors each year. 5. Lunch at El Born District. For lunch, head to the El Born District, known for its trendy restaurants, tapas bars, and vibrant atmosphere. This area is perfect for enjoying a leisurely meal while immersing yourself in Barcelona's lively culture. Try traditional tapas such as patas bravas, jamon iberico, or a seafood paella to experience the full range of Spanish flavors. El Born is also home to many artisan shops and galleries, so take some time to explore and shop for unique souvenirs. 6. Take a stroll along La Rambla. La Rambla is one of Barcelona's most famous streets, stretching from Plaza de Catalunya down to the waterfront. It's a great place to experience the hustle and bustle of the city while taking in the lively street performances, flower stalls, and vibrant shops. While La Rambla is a popular tourist spot, it's still worth a visit for its energy and charm. Make your way towards the waterfront and stop by the iconic Columbus Monument, which marks the end of La Rambla. 7. Visit the magic fountain of Montjuïc. As your day in Barcelona winds down, make your way to the magic fountain of Montjuïc for a spectacular light and water show. The fountain, located at the base of Montjuïc Hill, offers a mesmerizing display of synchronized lights, music, and water jets. The show typically runs in the evenings, making it the perfect way to end your layover with a bit of magic. The area around the fountain is also home to other attractions, such as the National Art Museum of Catalonia and the Olympic Stadium. 8. Explore the beaches of Barcelona. If you find yourself with a bit of extra time, Barcelona's beautiful beaches are just a short walk from the city center. Spend some time relaxing by the Mediterranean Sea, enjoying the sun and the sound of the waves. Barcelona Beach is the most popular, with plenty of beach bars and restaurants, where you can grab a refreshing drink or light bite. You can also take a walk along the promenade and watch the locals enjoy their day at the beach. The relaxed atmosphere of the beach provides a nice contrast to the city's busy streets. If you're looking for a bit of adventure, try out some water sports such as paddleboarding or sailing. 9. Visit Casa Batlló and Casa Mila. For architecture lovers, a visit to Casa Batlló and Casa Mila, also known as La Pedrera, is a must. Both of these stunning buildings were designed by Antoni Gaudí and are prime examples of its unique modernist style. Casa Batlló is known for its colorful facade, with mosaic tiles and organic curves that resemble the shapes of nature. Casa Mila, on the other hand, features undulating stone walls and wrought iron balconies, creating an almost dreamlike effect. Both buildings are the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, World Heritage Sites, and offer a glimpse into Gaudí's creative genius. 10. Enjoy the sunset at Park de la Ciutadella. To wrap up your 24 hours in Barcelona, head to Park de la Ciutadella, a beautiful green space where you can relax and enjoy the sunset. This park is perfect for a leisurely walk with its serene lake, fountains, and lush gardens. You can also visit the iconic Cascada Fountain designed by Josep Fontser and Antoni Gaudí. The park is popular with locals, making it a great spot to experience the more relaxed side of Barcelona. As the sun sets over the city, the park transforms into a peaceful oasis, providing a perfect end to your day of exploration. Thank you so much for joining me on this whirlwind 24-hour adventure through Barcelona. I hope you've enjoyed exploring some of the city's best spots, from a historic Gothic Quarter to the stunning La Sagrada Familia, and everything in between. Barcelona truly has so much to offer, and even with just a layover, you can experience its vibrant culture, rich history, and unique architecture. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow travelers. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss more exciting travel tips and adventures. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.